YouTube? Welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B, and today we're at the Ogden Museum of Southern Art. So let's get our Southern art on. Let's go. Obviously, based off of the name of this museum, all of the art that you're going to see all comes from the southern portion of the United States. So far, we've seen a lot of pieces from Texas, some really interesting pieces from Texas. I'm interested to see some Louisiana, being that I'm from Louisiana, but so far the art that I've seen right here from Texas has been wonderful. A lot of wonderful Texas art. I find this piece very interesting. Looking at it, I'm like, wow. Very unique pieces. Now, there goes, that's some Texas too. That's more Texas art here. Wow. Not exactly sure what I'm looking at right here. That's pretty cool too. I'm digging that with the broom. Like, you know, you can really take anything and make it into art. This is a 5-floor museum. I noticed, well, you could say 4 because one of them is just offices for the employees. 4 floors. I noticed the top floor, which is the 5th floor, isn't open. As I went up to the 5th floor, they have some art up there, but I noticed they're still working on some things up there, so you can't really do anything on the 5th floor but go up there and use the restroom right now. And you could kind of go, there's a little terrace area outside where you could go outside and get some views, as this museum is situated right next to the World War II museum. You can see the World War II museum behind me right now. If you look behind the horse right here, if you will, you can see the World War II museum outside of the glass, because it's right out there. That's some beautiful Louisiana art right there. But this place is it's kind of overlooked, because you come to New Orleans, lots of people love to go to World War II museum. If you're a Louisiana resident, you can get in here free on Thursday, and it's $15 to get in on a regular day, which is not bad. It's an overlooked place, so if you go to the World War II museum, definitely give this place a look. It's not nearly as much art as you would find in the New Orleans Museum of Art, but it's a little bit cheaper, and it's pretty unique art. And this is all like centralized southern United States art. Pretty good amount of modern art here, you know. It's a good ratio of modern art to some of your older. I would say it's a lot more modern art here, but yes, it's very unique. I like it. I would come back. I would probably come back on a Thursday when it's free to get in, but yeah, I enjoyed it. Free for Louisiana residents, like I said earlier, on Thursdays. But yeah, it's a cool spot. I would definitely come back. Hopefully the 5th floor will be open and I can see some extra art that I didn't really get to see this time. Enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button. Help us to grow as a travel community. And as always, remember, live today, grow today. Tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace!